Doing a quick sponsored review on this Hikole four-wheel runner. Look at this thing. This thing is nice, guys. These are actual gripping tires. It has the system right here. You could go low speed or high speed. You can go forward, back, or stop. You could turn off the lights right here, turn on your lights. It even has a thing right here for your Bluetooth. You could bump some jams while you're riding around. Guys, this thing is strong and powerful. I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how strong and powerful this is right now in this video. But this is a nice little 4Runner. Highly recommend.